All right, geometry, here we are with the last couple questions from the worksheet 10.5 practice A. This is basically your upcoming quiz. So we're on question number 11 right now. And the question I ask is, where is the angle? And in this case, the angle is on the outside of the circle. So because this is a new video, I'm going to draw that picture once again. So if I have a circle and I have a central angle, I will do nothing to that central angle. But if the angle is floating around somewhere inside, I will add those angles, those arcs together and divide by 2. If the angle is on the outside like this one, I will subtract the arcs and then divide by 2. And if the angle's on the circle, you don't subtract, you don't add, you just divide by 2. The only time you don't divide by 2 is with a central angle. So here we go. It's on the outside. I have this captured arc and this captured arc. What I will do is I will take 92, subtract it from 43. That gives me 49, divided by 2, and the answer is 24.5. For number 12, scroll over. The angle is on the outside. So I have the two captured arcs of 32 and of 80. So I will take 80. I will subtract the 32 because it's on the outside. I would get 48 divided by 2 is 24. Let's go to question number 13. Once again, with question number 13. Sorry about that. Don't want to make you motion sick. With question number 13, the angle once again is on the outside. So I'm going to take my two arcs, subtract them, and divide by 2. This is a little tricky. This is one of my arcs it captures, and here's the other arc it captures. So I need to know what arc number 1 is. To do that, I know the full circle is 360 degrees. So I'm going to take my 360, I'm going to subtract 170, I'm going to subtract 134, and I'm left with 56 degrees. So arc 1 has to be 50, I'm just going to write right there, 56 degrees. Cool. Now my two arcs, since the angle's on the outside, I will subtract them and divide by 2. So I'm going to write 134, let me just move this over, 134 minus 56 divided by 2. And if I do that in my calculator, 134 minus 56 divided by 2 is 39. Angle 2 is 39. All right, 14. Where is the angle? Notice I'm asking that question every time. Where is the angle? It's on the outside. So I take my two captured arcs, subtract them, and divide by 2. 138 minus 66 divided by 2. So in this case, 138 minus 66 is 72 divided by 2. The last time I checked was 36. Cool. Last question. This is a good one. Angle 2 is on the outside. To find the angle on the outside, I take the two captured arcs, subtract them, and divide by 2. So I take this arc and this arc, subtract them, and divide by 2, but I don't know that one. So once again, I have the rest of the circle. So I'll do 360 minus 105 minus 70 minus 130, and I'm left with 55 degrees. So for angle 2, since it's on the outside, I'll take my two arcs, I will subtract them, and then I will divide by 2. And that is 75 divided by 2. And your final answer, again, you can have decimals, it's totally allowed even on your quiz, is 37.5. Okay. Good luck. Again, the only way to study for these is to actually try these problems. Hopefully these review videos were good practice. Look over your note guides. The front of this worksheet, section 10.2 practice A, is also some really great problems, and I hope everyone does well tomorrow. Bye now.